Did you know that 90% of the beans you eat could be quietly damaging your gut, spiking inflammation, and accelerating aging? Many of us have been told our entire lives that beans are a cornerstone of a healthy diet. They're plant-based protein, full of fiber, a real superfood. But what if I told you that most of the beans you're eating could actually be working against you, especially as you get older? Think about my 68-year-old friend, Sarah. She loved her bean chili. But after dinner, the bloating, gas, and fatigue always crept in. Or John, 72, who added beans to his salads for heart health, but couldn't understand his low energy. It turns out, for those of us over 50, many common beans contain compounds that can damage your digestive system, fuel chronic inflammation, and even weaken your muscles from the inside out. Research suggests older adults who frequently ate high-lectin beans experience significantly higher gut inflammation and poorer nutrient absorption. This means your body might be starving for crucial minerals, even with a seemingly healthy diet. It's frustrating when you're trying your best. In this video, I'll reveal the 4 worst beans you absolutely need to avoid after 50, and the 4 incredible beans you should be eating daily to stay strong, vibrant, and full of life. One of the worst beans is a surprising superfood that might shock you. Please remember, I am not a medical doctor. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Always consult with your healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. Individual results may vary. This content should not be taken as medical advice. Let's start our countdown with number 4, kidney beans. These beans look innocent, packed with plant protein, but for many, over 50, they can become a gut irritant. The main issue is phytohemagglutinin, or PHA, a type of lectin. If kidney beans aren't properly soaked or cooked, even a small serving can trigger nausea, gas, and intestinal irritation. For older adults with slower digestion, this irritation can lead to chronic inflammation, nutrient malabsorption, and lingering fatigue. A study in the Journal of Food Toxicology observed older adults consuming red kidney beans had higher gut inflammation. I recall Ethel, 74, who adored her bean chili but consistently felt awful afterwards. Removing kidney beans made her bloating disappear and her energy soar. Many canned kidney beans also skip proper soaking or pressure cooking, potentially leaving troublesome lectins and adding sodium preservatives. So, if you're over 50 and frequently eating kidney beans, they might be working against your digestion. Next up, at number 3, are baked beans. They smell comforting, but for seniors, baked beans can be a hidden sugar bomb. While they start as humble white beans, commercial varieties are typically loaded with refined sugar, molasses, and corn syrup. This gives them a glycemic impact similar to eating a slice of cake. Dangerous for someone over 50. Your aging muscles lose efficiency in absorbing glucose. When a meal floods your bloodstream with so much sugar, it lingers, fueling inflammation, increasing belly fat, and contributing to joint stiffness. A report in the British Journal of Nutrition found that seniors consuming baked beans frequently had a significantly higher risk of insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar. I remember Harold, 69, who switched to baked beans on toast. Within months, his energy crashed, his waistline grew, and his blood sugar rose. Once he replaced them with fresh legumes, his numbers stabilized. For seniors, every blood sugar spike accelerates cellular aging. Baked beans don't nourish. They quietly drain your vitality. And coming in at number 2, a surprising superfood, soybeans. Praised for decades as protein-rich, many over 50 don't realize regular soy consumption can disrupt hormones, slow thyroid function, and weaken muscles. The issue lies in isoflavones, plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen. Consistent high intake after 50 can tip your delicate hormone balance. Research in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism observed older adults consuming high soy isoflavones had decreased thyroid function and higher fatigue. Your thyroid regulates metabolism, energy, and muscle repair. When it slows, energy crashes and muscles weaken. I recall Margaret, 68, who switched to soy products but experienced constant bloating, fatigue, and brittle nails. Removing soy from her diet, her metabolism rebounded. Many soybeans are also genetically modified and pesticide-treated, straining the liver and kidneys. Soybeans can also increase uric acid, potentially triggering painful flare-ups for those with gout. So, while soy appears healthy for many over 50s, it can be a hormonal villain. And finally, at number 1, the bean you might think is perfectly healthy but can turn dangerous after 50 pounds. Fava beans, often marketed as nutrient-rich for many seniors, especially those with an undiagnosed enzyme deficiency. Fava beans can trigger a dangerous chain reaction. The problem is vicine, a compound causing oxidative stress in people with lower levels of the G6PD enzyme. As we age, enzyme production naturally declines. When vicine enters your system, with low G6PD, it can destroy red blood cells, leading to anemia, dizziness, extreme fatigue, and even heart palpitations. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Aging found seniors with low G6PD activity experienced higher oxidative damage after eating fava beans. This deficiency often goes undiagnosed. Take George, 71, who ate fava beans weekly and felt lightheaded and short of breath. His doctor found his red blood cell count dangerously low due to favism. Cutting them out restored his energy. Fava beans can also increase blood pressure due to high tyramine levels, a risky combination for those on heart medication. So, while fava beans appear healthy, they can be a hidden trigger for fatigue, anemia, and heart strain. But let's flip the story, because not all beans are villains. Some are your body's secret allies, especially after 50,000. These next 4 are the exact opposite of what we've just covered. They fight inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and rebuild the muscles that aging tries to steal. Prepare to discover your new longevity power foods. Let's dive into number 4 of our must-eat beans. Starting our must-eat list at number 4, black beans, the senior muscle protector. These small beans are packed with plant protein, magnesium, and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that repair muscle tissue and improve circulation. Black beans are naturally lower in digestive irritants, meaning they feed your beneficial gut bacteria. A study from the Journal of Functional Foods observed that adults over 50 who ate black beans daily had better muscle endurance and reduced inflammation. Their antioxidants protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, preventing the rusting that weakens your body as you age. I once treated Rosa, 67, who had constant muscle stiffness. She swapped processed protein bars for black beans and vegetables. Within weeks, her soreness faded, and she felt strong again. Black beans also balance blood sugar, preventing energy crashes. Their natural fiber slows digestion, keeping glucose levels steady. If you want a food that actively fights aging at the cellular level, black beans are a must. Coming in at number 3. Black soybeans, your safe muscle rebuilding soy alternative. If you've avoided regular yellow soy for hormonal reasons, black soybeans offer a different path. Unlike yellow soy, black soybeans are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants, and have significantly lower isoflavone levels. This means you get muscle-building protein without potential hormonal disruption. A study in the Journal of Food and Agricultural Chemistry showed black soybean extract reduced oxidative stress in older adults, improving insulin sensitivity and lean muscle retention. This is crucial over 50 when your body tends to store fat instead of building muscle. Black soybeans help reverse that, nourishing muscle fibers. I remember Paul, 72, who stopped eating soy due to fatigue. When he tried black soybeans, his energy returned, and he felt his muscles finally woke up. They combine complete protein with detoxifying polyphenols, helping clean out harmful byproducts. Plus, their magnesium and potassium help prevent nighttime leg cramps. Properly cooked, Black soybeans are a satisfying food your body can truly use for repair. Next, at number 2, a humble bean that doubles as a gentle kidney cleanser and circulation booster. Lima beans, often called butter beans. They are one of the most underrated superfoods for seniors. While many beans cause bloating, lima beans are naturally low in lectins and rich in molybdenum, a trace mineral that helps detoxify your body by breaking down sulfites and supporting your liver and kidneys. For those over 50, whose organs work harder to filter toxins, this is a huge advantage. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate lima beans improved kidney filtration efficiency and lowered inflammation markers linked to chronic fatigue. Their unique combination of potassium, magnesium, and slow-digesting carbohydrates helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance, preventing swelling. I remember Janice, 70, who complained of puffy legs. Adding lima beans to her dinners, the swelling faded, her energy climbed. Lima beans also provide slow, steady energy without blood sugar, crashes, and are easy on sensitive stomachs. Cooked properly, they support your heart and cleanse your kidneys. And finally, at number 1, a rare gem praised in Japanese longevity villages for helping seniors maintain muscle, balance, and heart strength. Aduki beans, also known as Japanese red beans. These tiny ruby red powerhouses are loaded with plant protein, iron, folate, and powerful antioxidants. What truly sets them apart is their incredible effect on muscle metabolism and circulation for those over 50. Unlike heavier beans, aduki beans are incredibly light, easy to digest, and rich in unique polyphenols that reduce inflammation in blood vessels. This helps seniors maintain steady energy and robust heart strength. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that adults over 50 who consumed aduki beans regularly showed significant improvement in vascular flexibility and better lower limb strength. The antioxidants, particularly catechins, protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, preventing the rusting that weakens strength. I once met Mr. Sado, 83, from Okinawa, who said he's eaten aduki beans daily since childhood. They keep my legs strong. He told me, aduki beans help flush out excess sodium and toxins while fueling muscles with clean, slow energy. They're gentle on digestion, high in fiber, magnesium, and potassium, essential for heart rhythm and muscle recovery. For seniors, they offer energy, strength, and balance. The secret has been in Japan's rice bowls for centuries. And there you have it. The truth about beans after 50. Some quietly drain your energy, strain your kidneys, and slow your metabolism, while others rebuild your strength, protect your heart, and keep your muscles young. Aging isn't just about years. It's about choices. And the right foods can turn back the clock from the inside out. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with digestive issues after 50, this channel is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life. And check out this next video on reversing insulin resistance to go even deeper. Tell me in the comments, which of these must-eat beans will you try first this week?